What's up, kinks? It is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is another That Nap Life video. I want to talk about the easiest way for you to use a henna gloss. Henna gloss, that gloss that keeps your hair glossing and not breaking and growing and retaining. You want to know more? Keep watching. NappyFu checking in. Lego. If you are new to this channel, you're probably wondering, I'm sorry, like, what is henna and what is a gloss? Is it like lip gloss or something? Like, nope, it is gloss for your hair. That is an Ayurvedic hair method, and I encourage you to check out my playlist on henna so you can get a better understanding of what it is, why I use it, and so on. The link is in the description box. Today's video is going to be for those who are like, look, NappyFu, I'm just not about that kitchen life. I'm not trying to mix nothing. I get confused. I get frustrated. I might burn the kitchen down, okay? Give me a simpler way to get my gloss on. Well, here you go. Pre-made henna gloss bars. I bought mine from hennasoup.com, and I'm telling you, they hooked the girl up, okay? Although I am a self-proclaimed kitchen-tician, I do like to DIY all the time. Sometimes I don't feel like it, okay? I want it to come already made. Let me just throw it in the pot, you know what I'm saying? And that's what this is all about. As you can see, these ingredients that's in here, they have coconut butter, shea butter, they have henna, hibiscus, and marshmallow root, as well as the lemon juice, which is acidic to get that dye released. It's already here for you, okay? Now, you know, NappyFu wouldn't be NappyFu if she didn't throw her own little twist into it, you know, making me feel like I didn't let henna soup do all the work. I did a little something. So I will add a little extra something to this already really good henna gloss, but you know, I just want to add 1 or 2 ingredients that are very moisturizing just to amp it up to the next level. This is very much optional. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Now, how do you use this? Now we have to go ahead and make it. It tells you first, you have to slowly melt the gloss bar on low heat on a stove top. Okay, y'all? Just go ahead and get that popping. And please notice it does say, do not microwave. You don't want to microwave henna. You don't want to microwave any of your hair products, okay? Let's go ahead and melt the bar into this metal pot. Don't be scared, y'all. This is not bentonite clay. If it's pure henna, it's actually not going to react to me using metal. So don't be scared. I know somebody's like, what, metal? Look, pure henna is cool. Like, I'm just saying. If it's not pure, then you will have some issues, okay? So here we are. I'm going to put, now, I made a mistake with the temperature, and you're going to see real quick what I mean by that. So I started off on a 4. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get this henna bar open, and I'm going to show you how beautiful this little bar is with all the designs and stuff that's on it. And I must say, y'all, I make my own now, and it's not as pretty as this. But, you know, it's okay. It's only me that sees it. Okay. So let's go ahead and put this into the metal pot. And like I said, that 4 was way too high. You see it's bubbling? That means it's melting a bit too quick. So I did go ahead and lower it all the way down to where my stove says low. That is the ideal heat that you want it to be on. It should slowly melt, not fast. And I kind of left it there for about 15 minutes. And here we are. Man, it looks like chocolate. And guess what? It smells like chocolate. It made me want to pull out a bag of flour and be like, yo, what we baking? At this point, you're pretty much done. If you're not going to add anything extra to your henna gloss bar, go ahead and start applying it to freshly washed hair. But again, if you like me and you're like, I want to add my own little twist so I can feel like I did something, go ahead and add the rest of your ingredients here. I'm scraping the heck out this pot because I want you to see that 1 bar will not be enough if you have full thick hair. So keep in mind, you might need 2, or do like I'm doing and add other stuff to it to make it a lot more in your bowl and to thicken it up, so therefore you have enough for all your hair. Okay, so here we go. Apply time. All right, so now it's time to apply this evenly to my cleansed hair. This is replacing your deep conditioning step, y'all. Okay, now as I go ahead and file these nails, because we don't want no snag nails catching my hair, have you subscribed? What about hit that notification bell so you know next time I'm all up on your screen? If you haven't, please do. All right, so you know this henna gloss is replacing your deep conditioner, so you still want to do this on cleansed hair. Okay, make sure it's rinsed off very well, and now you're ready to apply. Do not mind this face mask on me. I have no explanation. Okay, so applying it is really just like you're applying a deep conditioner, But henna, in whatever form you have it, can be a little messy. I think henna glosses are less messier than a full henna treatment, but still, henna gloss has a little messization to it. Again, a made-up word. So make sure you take your time, go gentle, don't go too fast. Better yet, do it inside your restroom if you can, inside your tub. If you do, you're gonna see some brown stuff get everywhere, but it's easier to rinse off of your tub than it is to rinse off your walls. Okay. All right, this is how much I have left over. Don't tell me this don't look like pudding, y'all. Don't just look just like pudding and like this white stuff there. That's like the marshmallow in there. I don't even like pudding like that, y'all. But this, oh, it smells. Don't mind me, y'all. So y'all know we waste nothing. So I did use that entire bowl. I sure did, and it was enough. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my plastic. I'm actually double plastic bagging it today. Well, conditioning cap. I didn't have a plastic bag around me, and I'm using my turban. You know, let me stop lying. That is a dress that I'm using and making it into a turban. I'm gonna let this sit for a couple of hours. 4 hours later, and we're done. All rinsed out, and this is my hair full of that henna goodness. Okay, no brown stuff, just good stuff. You feel me? The strength, the gloss, I guess you could say a little shine. It's just really good for your hair, y'all. And if you are protein sensitive, henna might be a good way to go. It's not a protein treatment, as in it doesn't have protein in it, but it does strengthen your hair like a protein treatment. So make sure you look into it. If you're new to it, I encourage you to try it the way it is. Don't add anything extra, and just see how your hair reacts, okay? Again, check out my playlist all about henna, and I hope you find it very helpful. And now we've come to today's Napchat question. Since I started using henna, my hair breakage has lessened more and more each time, which is great. I want to know from you, kinks, what products do you use to control breakage that you have? What has given you success, and what has just caused you more mess? Let us know in the comment box below. Trust me, you'll be helping another kink out. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that. And I will catch you on the next one. I hope you found today's video helpful. If so, give this video a thumbs up so I know, NappyFu, you did that thing, girl. Okay, that was kind of cheesy, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. All right, y'all, until next Sunday, remember, to have healthy hair, you got to do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were